Oh yes guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you a newly launched platform that will give you access to earn free USDT and withdraw on daily basis. So what you need to do is to simply sign up using the link that I will drop in the description of this video, and then follow me step by step as I show you how to get started and begin to withdraw on daily basis. So as you can see on my screen, I have the registration page right here with me. So on my screen now, you see the first thing I have here is the phone number option. So here you are expected to register with your phone number by selecting your country code. You click on this drawdown. So you need to click here on this country code. You pick the registration country code that will tally with your phone number. So I'm from Nigeria. For those that are watching from outside Nigeria, you can look for the one that suits your region and select that particular country code. So the next thing you're going to do is to input the phone number, removing the first zero. So insert the phone number here, then you create a login password. Then you also need to confirm the login password. Now the next thing you're going to do here is to put the transaction password. So the transaction password is going to be 6 digits in number. So try and make sure that the transaction password is just 6 digits that you can easily remember. Now the next you're going to do is to put the invitation code so that you will be enabled to sign up. Now the invitation code is on the screen as you're watching it. You see the invitation code right there, and I will also write the invitation code behind or below the sign up link in the description of the video. Now the next you're going to do after filling in your details right here is to click on register now. So immediately you click on register now, it will get you registered, and you now need to save the password and your phone number or the login details for easy access to your account. Now because I've already registered and I've already gotten started, the next thing I'm going to do is to log in and show you how it works. So if you need to download the app for easy access of your account, you simply need to go click on this down button that is saying download Go Shop app. So the name of the platform is called Go Shop. It's a newly launched order grabbing platform. I frequently post order grabbing platform that has been paying me massively. So and I recommend most of them to be best moment you can use and make money online when you follow the tricks that I will show you with just a few USDT that you need to deposit. So now let me just log into my account and show you how everything works. So I will select my country of residence country code. The code is right here. So all the countries seems to be listed on this particular page. So I will need to log in now. Then when I'm logged in, as it successfully logged me in, so I will get to scroll through the platform like this and see what it looks like. So for you that will be signing up and you'll be getting access to this platform for the first time, the first thing you're going to do is to come to this mine. So when you click on mine here, just at the extreme right here, you click on mine and you see that I have $5 right here. So this $5, I was given $4 welcome bonus, and I decided to recharge just $1 to make it up, to enable me purchase a VIP so that I can be able to perform tasks and withdraw immediately after completion. So the next thing you're going to do is to make a deposit. So the next thing I will show you how to make the deposit. So to make at least $1 deposit, so let me first of all show you the list of the plans that are available. Then you can be able to make your choice and then deposit straight away in order to start making money online using this platform. So the first one is the VIP 0. So and this VIP 0 is just a free VIP where you will get $4 welcome bonus. Then the only thing you need to do is to top up a minimum of $1 to make it $5 so that this plan or VIP plan will be opened for you. Now the next thing you're going to do is to make other choices if you wish to do that. If you don't want to purchase the VIP 0, or where you earn 0.35 on daily basis and withdraw also into your wallet account. Now the next one is a plan that is called VIP1. This VIP1 will cost you $10. So what you need to top up to start earning 1.12, which is what you are seeing on my screen right here, is $6. So when you top up $6, you start earning $1.12 on daily basis. So the next one, you scroll down, you will see the VIP2 plan that will cost you $40. So if you top up $36, you will get to start earning 3.60 USDT on daily basis. Then monthly you'll be earning $108 from this platform. Now the next one I'm going to show you is also the next plan that is called the VIP 3. So right here you need to deposit 126 USDT and start earning $11.47 on daily basis from this platform. So that is how it works, guys. Now to get started, you first of all need to recharge your account. So you click on this mine again. So right here I show you step by step on how to do this. Then I'll show you the proof of withdrawal that I just carried out last night before I decided to present this video to you guys. Now when I click on recharge, so to recharge your account, click on this recharge, then to take you to this simple page like this. So it's very simple. Copy this wallet address, go to your, all you need to do now is to go to your Trust Wallet or any crypto exchange platform where you can be able to transfer crypto, then and send exactly the amount you want. Then you come back, you just zoom it in, come back and click on submit. So immediately it will synchronize and open the VIP that pairs with the amount you decided to deposit. So that is how it works. If it is the first one that will give you access to earn 0.35, you just need to deposit a minimum of $1. So you can be able to deposit a minimum of $1 using your Trust Wallet or any other payment exchange platform that can give you access to deposit a minimum of $1. Or if you don't want to purchase that first plan with just $1, you can go for the second one that will give you access to earn $1.12 on a daily basis with just $6 additional, because you are going to receive $4 welcome bonus that will give you access to do that. So now when you have submitted the payment and your balance has reflected, so you can see I have $5 right here. So and the first withdrawal I made was 0.35 USDT. So to confirm that I actually made this withdrawal, you go to this withdrawal, go to recharge and withdrawal record. So when you click on recharge and withdrawal method, you can be able to see I first made a deposit of $1. So that this is just the recharge record that I got. Now when I check this the second one, which is withdrawal record right here, so when I click on it, you see I have let me just show you guys. So as you can see, I got 0.35 success withdrawal. So that is how it works. Now to attach your withdrawal, before I now show you how to do your task, to attach your USDT TRC20 wallet address, all you need to do is to come to this withdrawal method. So just click on withdrawal method. You click on withdrawal method, then this page will pop up. You need to input your wallet address here. So you click on, if you want to modify the one you've inserted, you just click on this little icon that is like a pen icon. So it will take you to the process. You do that. Now to be able to perform your task on this platform, you just need to go to the home. So when you click on home, you just get to perform task. You now go to the VIP that is opened for you. So for instance, I got opened to VIP 0 after I deposited $1. So and I can perform tasks right here. So when I click on this VIP 0, it will bring me the list of tasks available. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on flipkart.com. So when I click on flipkart.com, then I'll submit. So this is just simple process to perform task. So when I click on submit, and I'll wait for the payment to arrive, then the next one will come up. I'll click again, I'll submit. So it's just very simple, guys. I'll do this till I'll exhaust the whole task that I've been made to complete in order to get my commission from the task performance. So as you can see, I'm just doing the task and it's going remain successful. So immediately you submit, they will give you commission immediately and your account balance will increase as well. So I'll do this and do the withdrawal so that I will show you guys how everything works here. So it's just remaining two tasks to get finished, to finish up with the whole task for today. So as you can see, I've already exhausted the task. Then let me just quickly go to withdrawal process and show you how to withdraw. So when after I do that, I'll click on withdrawal on my home. Then I'll put the amount I want to withdraw right here. So when I put 0.35, now I'll put the password. So I'll put just the login so I'll just put the password here. So this is my withdrawal password. So let me just do that quickly since I'm missing something. Sorry guys. As you can see, successful payment. So when I go to my withdrawal record again to show you how successful it went, you just look at this now. You see I have under review, a withdrawal under review. Within 5 minutes it will reflect in my wallet. So that is how it works, guys. I've shown you step-by-step method you can use to start earning on daily basis with just $1 from this platform. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, and also recommend this channel to your friends so that they will get to make good money from this platform updates on daily basis. So thank you for watching, guys.